Talk louder, AJ.
You know what makes me want to buy a 150 and over S?
Wait. He wanted to do like what we're doing. Okay, AJ, stop. So it starts with an S and ends with an E. And it is green. Sorry, she looks at us so. It is slime. Sorry about that. I got the color green. Oh, hold up. Let me see this. Why'd you put this in? This is the container it comes in. It says silly slime and then the full. Hold up. Hold up. Who's here? Sorry about that. I got green for a reason. Last time I got black, like it colored. Sorry about that. But black actually, like it colored my hands blue, so I don't get black anymore. This looks like a very light green from here, but look how dark that is. Oh, it looks light. It looks like really light, but it's not actually this color. It's like the color of my thing, but a little bit darker. It looks lighter. Okay, guys, the color you're seeing right now, that's like yellow, whatever, but sorry. AJ, you want to be in the video? Then you're going to have to sit down.
Slime, I want slime. I want slime.
No, I'm just going to do this. There you go. Okay, AJ. Okay, AJ, sit. I'm just going to tell you about our video that's going to be coming out. It's called Not My Legs Challenge. And I also got green because, hold up, black colored my hands blue and stuff, and I couldn't really tell if it was black, blue, or green because when it was spread out, it was like, when it was like, hold up, AJ, stop. When it was spread like out, it looked green. When it was all together, it was black, and it made my hands blue. So I get green because look at my hands. I still have my tag on. AJ, you can't be doing that. We're starting the video, okay?
AJ, you have to eat dinner.
He's gonna go eat dinner and. Oh. So this is how it is. Hold up. You can get this at Family Dollar for $1. My Tokyo. This is what happens when you squeeze it. Sorry about that. He didn't have a shirt on. I really don't know. So I'm doing this to get it off because it was on my hands. AJ, you can't be doing that. You're going to get it all over the place. The last time it was all over the place. Go. If you're going to cry, go.
No, it's fine.